Ground ball through the left side. It's a base hit. Can Jeter score? He rounds third. He's coming home. The throw from Pilar. Not in time. It's an RBI single from McCann, and the Yankees have tied the game at 1.
Second time in this series that McCann has gone to the opposite field to pick up a base hit that drove in a run. The shift is getting less drastic by the day on Brian McCann. The throw not going to be in time. The captain scores a wild pitch. Really hurt Marcus Stroman and the Blue Jays as the game is tied up at 1.
This is the Major League Baseball all-time run scored list, and that run by Derek breaks the tie with Alex Rodriguez, so Derek's at 19-20.